Hey guys, so today I am going to be making pumpkin blondies, and I've been wanting to do something pumpkin flavored for a while because it is fall, and I had this whole can of pumpkin puree that I've had for a bit, and I was trying to figure out something to do with it, and so I thought this would be a pretty good idea because I think blondies are really good, and it's another recipe that would be really good for like Thanksgiving dinner because it's, you know, in pan, you can just bring the whole thing. So yeah, I have all my ingredients out, and the first thing I need to whisk together in this bowl is some of my dry ingredients. So I already have my flour in here. First I'm going to add in my pumpkin pie spice, and at first I couldn't find it, but it's pretty much just a mix of different spices if you don't have that. And then this is my cinnamon, my baking soda, and my salt. Now I'm just going to whisk and combine these together. And then I have my stand mixer over here where I'm going to cream together my butter. Oh, I probably need to use a spatula. There we go. My butter. And then I have my sugars. And this is brown sugar. There we go. Pop that in. And then my granulated sugar. Okay, so this is all nice and creamed together, and now I'm going to add in my vanilla extract and my 1 egg. Okay, so now that's all combined, and I'm ready, to put in my pumpkin puree. And I'm going to use the whole can, 15 ounces. So I'm going to scoop all of this in. There we go. Cook it the pumpkin. There we go. There. Okay, so this is what the mix looks like right now, and it does look a little weird right now, like a little chunky, but it says on the recipe that is okay. And now I'm going to add in my dry ingredients, and I'm just gonna have it on like low speed, and then I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. So this is what my mix is looking like, and it looks really good. It smells really good too. And now I'm gonna put it into my pan, which first I just sprayed with cooking oil, and then I put the parchment paper on top because this makes it a lot easier for something like a blondie or a brownie. So now I'm gonna scoop this in. It's pretty heavy. Like I said, it's a pretty thick mixture, so it's not super runny. So there we go. I have my mix all spread out in my pan, and unfortunately I didn't have a lot of chocolate chips. I only have about this much left, so you could just put it in the mix beforehand and then you know, combine it, mix it all together. You can also add like pecans, but I don't really want to add that, and I don't have any anyway, so I'm just going to sprinkle these on top. I'm ready to put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. So here is the finished blondies, and it looks really nice, and it's also completely cooled down. I had to wait a while for that, so I'm just going to cut a piece in the corner to try it. There we go, and then that's what it looks like on the inside. Willow really wants some too, because she loves pumpkin, but I'll figure out something for her later, probably to make for a video. But yeah, it's really nice and soft on the inside, and it tastes really good. I'll definitely make these again. It was pretty easy. There was not a lot of major prep stuff to do, and like I mentioned before, it can be really easy for like Thanksgiving Day. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.